Hello, what's up guys, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video, and this video is another Fiverr tutorial video series where I'll be answering this question: should I accept a customer's cancellation or initiate cancellation instead myself? So you might be wondering why I chose this is that cancellation is one of our things you need to take very seriously, and you need to be aware of other cancellation on Fiverr and how it affects your growth and your profile on Fiverr. By the way, when you receive a cancellation on an order, your Fiverr rating goes down. Okay, so but that's not the case. There is a difference between a cancellation initiated by a buyer and also a cancellation initiated by a seller, you as a seller, and this is why this video just popped up. Okay, so let me explain. If a client, okay, let's say you have an order on Fiverr and you at a point in time, maybe after 2 days, you discover that you couldn't continue with the order, or the client is pestering you, give me the deliver, and angrily the customer goes on to cancel the order. You get, like, to initiate a cancel order request. Trust me, please, as a seller, don't accept that cancellation. You know why? When a buyer initiates a cancellation, the buyer will leave a review, like a reason for canceling that order, and Fiverr will show that on your profile, on your profile reviews. Okay, so please, what you should do instead, and not just that, for any other cancellation initiated by a customer, there is a 1-star review attached to it on your profile, and that is what I want you to avoid. Okay, so do this instead. If a customer should initiate a cancellation for whatever reason, you need to accept, isn't it? Yes, but just decline. Please decline that cancellation and initiate that other cancellation yourself. Okay, initiate the other cancellation yourself. Like on Fiverr, I have this order I'm working on, this particular order, and maybe for any reason I want to cancel this order. Okay, all I need to do is to go to my order page, and my customer initiated a cancellation order, and I declined. Then I want to initiate it myself, so I go to my order page, click on visit resolution, and it opens up to another page, and it will ask you for reasons why you want to cancel this order. They will say, what can we help you? Extend the delivery date? No. Modify the order? Ask the customer to cancel the order. When you click on this button, it will lead you to another page where you leave a reason why you want to cancel this order. It's quite simple, and it's better and safer that way. Okay, is for don't accept order cancellation from customers. Why? It will affect your profile. It will leave a 1-star review on your profile, which is very bad for your account. Rather, initiate the cancellation from your own end. It is better and safer for your account that way. I hope you learned a lot in this particular video, and if you have any question in the comment section, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video if you found this tip very helpful, and leave a comment if you have a feeling about this video, good feeling or bad feeling. Let me know in the comment section. This is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.